hold this out. Now hold this. Alright, so we got our magma ready. Let's move this out of the way. Now we got to get our magic lava powder. What's the magic lava powder? What is it?
Baking soda.
Everybody, come on, say it. Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yes, we're just going to mix baking soda and vinegar and boom. Okay, oh, this is for you. You got to put that in there. Put it right in there. The magic lava. So the magic, or the magma comes out of the chamber and it goes up the conduit and it goes into the crater and then it changes to lava and it flows down the side. So everybody say that. Magma chamber.
Magma chamber.
Magma.
Magma.
And the conduit.
Conduit.
And the crater.
Crater.
And then the lava.
Lava.
And eruption. So let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eruption. Okay? Put that on there.
No. Here.
It's L-shaped.
Is the here.
Ah, now you're getting it. Got it? Look, I can put this thing right in there. See that? Yeah. Oh, yeah, stick it right in. Okay, now put that down. Be careful.
Boom.
Okay, hold on. Now don't go too fast. Look, just go like this. Look, look. Like that. Okay. So grab it like this. Yeah, just like that, and push it in. Just go like that. Okay. Hey, you guys better back up a bit. Who knows what it'll do? Okay. Everybody got your goggles on? Ready? Go. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Eruption.
There. Alright, hold the thing up. Okay, everybody, goggles. Okay, here, put the rest, fill it up with that. Almost to the top. Okay, this is it. Yeah, let's stop there. Okay, so everybody ready? You might want to back up just a little bit. Okay? Just go with this fast. Like that. Don't go like that. Just go.